What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Peace and love. Master Ty from Master Ty's Combat Calisthenics. Today we're going to be going into the horse stance. It's a little rainy out here, but listen, we're doing a challenge, okay? And I want to show you some different ways that you can work on a stance, okay? So first I'm going to go into a little bit of the way I do it, and then I'm going to, go out and, expand a little bit into some other things, okay? But here go a couple ways that I've been doing it, and I still do it, all right? Let's get it in. And if you want, you can always just add a kickboxing style approach to it. Get in your horse stance, turn it in an angle, pop, 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 pop. So you can see it from here. Still got the mabu. Still sitting. Sit down nice and low. Mix it up with that traditional flow. Make sure you work on the points. Alright, so just a few ways that we're working on the horse stance, aka Mabu. Alright, listen, I don't care how you practice. Sometimes what I do, I also like yesterday I was doing an event. Shout out to my team, Harlem, New York, Professor Mo, and Michael Josh trainer, Crescendo Lamar Thornton, and all the other warriors. Shout out to Supreme Grandmaster JB. The main thing is sometimes I do a yoga style. Alright? Yoga style sometimes works for me when you go all the way down to the ground. I showed y'all on the video. If you didn't look at the video, please go to YouTube, check out the video. Alright? There should be a link on the Facebook page, okay? Another thing. It's not the quantity, it's the quality. First week was supposed to be 30 to 60 seconds. 2 sets, all right? Sometime when you want to get a little bit extra, you might make it 3, all right? The main thing is the move. The main thing is the mindset, all right? So we're going to be talking about that too. Please take a look at that video. Also, I sent you, when you see on the last stream that I did, I left a little video, okay, about faith, all right? Come on, we got faith to make it, all right, y'all? So I'm going to just show y'all a few more ways that you can express the horse stance. Like I said, if you don't want to get straight up traditional, mix it up. Alright, so let's go over a few more, alright? And it's raining out here, y'all, but we still get it in. The sun looking good. Alright, I'm feeling good, alright? Just did my decrees and declarations, alright? And this is what it's about, alright? Getting that motivation, alright? Because it's so easy to stay comfortable and don't want to exercise your body. You know what I'm saying? And to be able to say I'm healthy, but you're not moving the body, come on, y'all know what we got to do. So let's go back into a little bit more before we go. okay? I do it two ways. Boom. Crossover, step. Crossover, step, okay? Then if you want to start here, boom. Cross, step. Cross, step. Cross, step. Cross, step. All right? You want to make 360? Get out the box. And sit. All right? Make sure it's nice and strong. Feet facing forward. All right? Back straight and relax. If you need to, put a body that's going to make you sit down more. All right? Last but not least, the Tai Chi. And we're going to be doing a Tai Chi seminar on Saturday. Come from there, especially for the low impact for the seniors, and sit. Hold the ball.